Today, you will learn how to save Webpage as Word document online for free. First, open your web browser and go to Google. In the search box, type Convert HTML to DOCX and press Enter. You will see many websites that offer this service. For this tutorial, we will use Convertio. Once the website opens, click on the Choose Files button. Now, select the HTML file from your computer. If you already downloaded the web page as an HTML file, simply browse to its location and select it. Some versions of the converter may also allow you to paste the online link of a web page instead of uploading a file, making the process even easier. After your file is uploaded, check the output format. Make sure that DOCX or Word document is selected as the file type. DOCX is the standard format used by Microsoft Word and is compatible with most modern word processing applications. Now, click on the large Convert button. The website will begin converting your web page into a Word document. Depending on the size and content of the web page, this may take a few seconds. Larger web pages with lots of text, images, or formatting may take a little longer, so just wait until the conversion process is completed. When the conversion is finished, you will see a Download button. Click on it to download your new Word document. The DOCX file will be saved to your computer, and you can usually find it in your Downloads folder. Open the file with Microsoft Word to view, edit, or print the contents of the web page. If this video helped you, please like the video and subscribe to the channel.